Making bar plots in Python is very simple than you think. In this video, I'll teach you how to create a bar chart for your data. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm using Google Colab so that you can all get access to this. So just open your browser and type googlecolab.com, then start a notebook. So I'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and then I'll run this cell, and I've successfully imported matplotlib. And if you don't know, with Google Colab, most of these libraries come pre-installed, so you just need to import them. All right, now to create a bar plot or a bar chart, I'll need some data. So for this, we'll assume you are a teacher and you have a classroom, and your classroom you have the names and the ages of your students. So you want to plot to see the bar chart of that particular data. So first of all, I'll create a variable called names, and this will be a list of some names. And then let's add an ages. So another variable here, that's ages, and for ages we also have a list of ages for these four students. So let's type in some random numbers, and that's it. So these are the ages of our students in the class. In your case, you can add more students, or you can add more ages as well, or you can totally use a different type of data at all. So I'll click run, and then this cell have executed successfully. My next thing is to plot whatever information I have here. So for that, I've imported matplotlib. So I'll just do plt.bar, and inside here, what do I want to plot? I want to plot my names on the x-axis and the age on the y-axis, so I can put that particular information there, and I'll write plt.show, and this is going to show my bar plot. So plt.bar, and then I give it a name and the ages of my student. I do plt.show in order to show whatever I'm plotting, and I click run, and you can see I have it right here. So Felix, Sam, David, and Godwin. So Godwin is the highest age, and it's 76 here. It shows. There are a couple of things you can also add. You can add something like plt.title. To add a title, you can see, so names, again, names and ages. You can do s label to give the x-axis a name, and you can do y label to give the y-axis a name as well. So if I run this now, you can see we got the title to be name and ages, and then we specify that the ages is on the y-axis, and the names are on the x-axis. This looks just great, and it's very simple. You can see how great it is. So with these few lines of code, you can plot a bar graph or come up with a very nice visualization. One thing I love about visualization is that anyone at all can just look at this bar and know what is going on without necessarily looking at the data, and that's the beauty of visualization. That's why companies hire data analysts in order to visualize their data for them, or create dashboards for the data for them, because when they see the dashboard, they know whatever is going on. Thanks for watching. If you love tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section, and also follow, subscribe, and share for more. Up until this, I'll see you in my next tutorial.